The entire state is in a state of mourning. Already since yesterday there is state mourning being taking place in Assam, and we are outside Zubin Garg's residence in Kahilipara area, and you can see his supporters, his followers in thousands here. The road leading to his residence have been all decorated up with flower petals, welcoming their singer. He was a cultural icon for the people here, and scenes are unprecedented. All the shops and business establishments are closed. It is taking hours for the convoy to reach. You have people here. You have fans of Zubin Garg. Already आपसे बात करते हैं. ये फीलिंग कैसा है अभी? सब लोग मैंने देखा लोग रो रहे हैं और दुकानें बंद है. हजारों की संख्या में लोग निकल के आए.
इमोशनल फीलिंग्स कुछ बता नहीं सकते अभी. मतलब हम लोग का एक रतन यहाँ से मतलब चला गया. इट्स अ जेम्स. ही वाज अ जेम्स फॉर अस. सब लोग इमोशनल. वी कांट से एनीथिंग.
So there you are. You can hear the chants of Jai to call him Zubinder. Very close to people, a down to earth person. On one side, the fans have queued up all along the stretch between the airport to his residence, which is about 25 kilometers. Usually, in a very heavy traffic, it would take about 1 hour to reach, but the convoy actually started at 7 a.m. and it has not reached as of now. So you can imagine thousands of people are lined up to pay their last respect, to get the last glimpse of their most favorite, most loved superstar in a way, because Zubin Garg was not merely a singer, not merely a composer. He was the voice of the voiceless. He was somebody who was known to be there with the people who are in crisis. Here we have some of the fans. If we can speak to them. Come on, Dada. Zubin, how are you feeling now? You people have been for nights together. You have not slept.
I can explain. He's my Lord for mine. He's my parents. He's my everything.
So there you are, this young fan of Zubin Garg can't hold back his tears. Perhaps that's the feeling with everybody around. Even I'm being, getting very emotional. I can't really hold on to my tears as I am reporting this. This has perhaps touched everybody in Assam. A personal loss for thousands of people in Assam. Somebody who would be so down to earth, would meet people, would actually come forward and help people who are in need. On the streets of Guwahati, every second person can share with you an anecdote of a personal encounter with Zubin Garg. That was Zubin Garg for the people of Guwahati, for the people of Assam, and it is perhaps a tearful goodbye to the superstar as people lined up on the streets are singing his immortal song in Assamese, a song called Maya Bini, which he had once said that when he dies, this song should be played everywhere. In every street, in every lane of Assam at this moment, the song reverberates. Remember, Zubin Garg's career spanned over 3 decades, and in these 3 decades, he has sung, composed, and given music to at least 38,000 songs in 40 Indian languages. He also could speak and sing in several foreign languages, and he was not only a mere singer, he was an artist, a musician who used to play 12 different musical instruments. So that was the versatility of this star who in his peak in Bollywood left Bollywood to come back and settle back in Guwahati. Remember, he hit the scenes in Bollywood with his famous number from Gangster Ya Ali. We all remember that famous song from Kaate Jaane Kya Hoga Rama Re. Big hits of Zubin Garg. And then after Bollywood, he had many hits in the Bengali film industry, and not to forget hundreds of songs which now the people here, they are all singing. We have a lot of youngsters here. आप बताइए, जुबिन गर्ग हमारे बीच नहीं रहे.
हाँ, तो पता है.
पिछले 3-4 दिनों से लोग रास्ते पे हैं, घर नहीं गए हैं. कैसा माहौल?
अभी तो बहुत मतलब बुरा माहौल है सबके बीच में. ये आप बोले, सब लोग बोल रही हैं याली बस गाए हैं. याली ने बहुत कुछ गाने गाए हैं. आसाम में तो 40,000 के ऊपर गाने गाए हैं. और ये क्रिस्टी का भी गाना गाया था, दिल तू ही बता. और मतलब यूथ के सामने तो जुबिन गॉड के समान है, तो अपने दिल में रखते हैं, तो इसलिए सब लोग मिल रहे हैं।
जुबिंदा के एक गाना गुनगुना देंगे एक लाइन?
মায়াবিনী রাতির বুকো দেখা পালো তোমার ছবি ধরা দিলা গোপনে আহি হিয়ার কোন তুমি যে মোৰ শুকান মনত জিয়ৰৰে চেঁচা টোপাল নামি অহা ৰ'দৰে নৈ মোৰ দেহত প্ৰতি পুৱা।
So this song carries his emotion. This is the song which has become an anthem for the youth, for the millennials, for the Gen Zs of Assam, and youngsters like them have been singing this song non-stop on the streets of Guwahati, strumming the guitar and making it feel that Zubin Garg is still alive with his song among them.